I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, in order to choose the answer, we've got to take two things into account. First of all, we've got to choose an answer that collocates with almost. Not all of the answers do. And the second thing we've got to take into account is the meaning. We need to say something along the lines of that we have to be 99% certain. Not 100% certain because of the adverb almost, but 99% certain. If we take those two things into account, the only one answer that we can choose is B, certainly. For question number 2, if we understand the context correctly, the sentence is basically saying is that most people today accept or believe or see that there is a fifth human taste. So we need to choose a piece of vocabulary which means exactly that. And if we have a look at the 4 options, of course there is only one piece of vocabulary that does mean those things, and that is A, acknowledge. For question number 3, all we have to do here is choose the correct answer to collocate with the verb beforehand to mean the same as existed. Which of these 4 answers means that? If we have a look at A, been about, no. Been around, possibly. Been along, nope. Been on, nope. The answer therefore can only be B. For question 4, you may have noticed that the gap is between an as comparative form. And after the as comparative form, we can see that we're comparing two completely different food types, which is why the answer for question number 4 is C, different. For question number 5, the key word here is the preposition after the gap of. Only one of the answers collocates with that preposition and fits this language pattern, and that is B, incapable. What we have to do for question number 6 is complete the informal phrase or the informal expression, which basically means become very excited about something. Which of these verbs collocates with the word that follows to mean exactly that? Well, the answer is D, go. You go mad for something. For question number 7, once again, we have to choose the answer to complete the expression. The expression meaning becoming noticed or becoming more important or becoming more visible. So which of the answers completes the expression to make it or to make your? And the answer is B, to make your mark. And for question number 8, we've got to choose the correct past participle, which makes sense given the context, which is all about whether you think the advertising is true or not, and as a result, whether it would persuade you. Well, the only answer in that case is A. If the advertising is to be believed, try it once and you'll be back for more.